Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need just enough setup to begin now. Create or sign into your Kaggle account and ensure Python 3. 8 or newer is available. Once done, install core packages. Pip install Kaggle, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn. This gets you working with datasets and models. Then open the course, select Module 1, and run the first notebook cells to confirm kernels execute. This immediate feedback shows where errors will appear, so fix them before moving on. It saves time later. You now move into the middle of the course where doing matters more than reading. Work through each notebook, run cells, complete inline quizzes, and modify example code to test behavior. This builds intuition. Once comfortable, explore datasets with head, describe, and simple plots so you understand distributions and missing values. Make small model changes and test hyperparameters to see impact. As you iterate, commit versions or download results. Keeping checkpoints helps you revert when experiments diverge. To wrap up, finalize the capstone or final notebook, confirm you meet the rubric, and tidy code so someone else can reproduce results. Then submit your kernel or notebook and attach a clear README with steps and dependencies. If something breaks, first inspect kernel logs and error traces, then verify package versions and dataset file paths. Many failures are environment mismatches. If needed, restart the kernel, clear outputs, and rerun cells from the top to isolate the issue and produce a clean submission.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.